Selling your RV should be easy, and at Worldwide RV, we've been making it hassle-free for over 60 years. Our expert consignment team walks you through every step, explaining the process, agreeing on a fair price, and handling minimal paperwork. We make it simple so you can relax. Your RV will be featured alongside our extensive inventory, showcased to a vast audience through our marketing and social media platforms, and then we connect your RV with the right buyers. Once we find the perfect buyer, we ensure the RV is in top shape with a thorough inspection, part of our commitment to quality and professionalism. With the paperwork signed and delivery complete, the new owners are ready to hit the road. And you get paid quickly and effortlessly. At Worldwide RV, we make RV consignment simple. Trusted for over 60 years, we're here to help you make your next move. Stop by today to get started.